Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add multiple photos in your Instagram story. Let's launch the Instagram app first. Then you want to head to the top left corner and you want to click on your story. When you're at the option to select the images or the content you want to publish, the pro tip over here will be to go ahead and click select on the top right corner. When you click select, you will have the option to select multiple different pieces of content. For example, we're going to select these 3 pieces of content. Then we're going to hit next. Now, there's a major difference between posting multiple pictures on your regular Instagram post and posting multiple pictures on your story. As you can see here, we have very little editing options, right? If you click on the first option over here, you will simply be able to add a backdrop, right? You can turn this image into a scene. You can change it, make it much more, movie-like. But I don't find this feature so helpful. I don't find it amazing. The second option will be to add text, and you can also add and tag people. If you click the mention on the left side, lower left side, you click mention, right? And we have a suggestion to tag Apple, but I'm gonna input Apple manually. So you see, we found Apple, and now we can simply move Apple around. We can add the way how the tag looks like by simply changing the font color. I think it's cool. I think this is much more interesting than the usual editing that you will have on Instagram post. And then we're able to add the location of our post. You can ask a question, your audience, right? You can add music. As you can see, you can run a poll, a quiz. You can also add a link. People ask me about this. For example, we can do google.com, right? And then you press done, and then you have the website, then you have the link. Everything looks very, very good. And when you're ready, all we gotta do is to hit the lower right corner, the arrow. And this is how you create or post multiple pictures on your story on Instagram. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.